Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions. You must be a manager or teacher with enrollment rights. Once done, open the course dashboard and click Participants to view current users. Next, press the Enroll Users button in the top right. This begins the process immediately. Decide now whether you will add users manually or prepare a CSV for bulk upload, because that choice changes the steps ahead. Make sure the course is visible and enrollment methods enabled so the system accepts new participants without blocking. If you add users manually, type a name or email in the Enroll dialog, choose the role and optional group, then set enrollment period and click Enroll. For many students, prepare a CSV with userid/email and role, plus optional group and enrollment dates. Save as UTF-8. Once your CSV is ready, go to Site Administration, Users, upload users to validate the file, preview rows, map fields, and fix any errors the validator shows. This prevents mismatches and duplicate accounts from being created. Finish by reviewing the participants list to confirm enrollments, then optionally notify students through Moodle messaging or announcements. If some users didn't appear, check common causes, wrong email addresses, disabled enrollment plugins, or CSV encoding errors. To troubleshoot, rerun the CSV validation and inspect the error report, ensure manual enrollment is enabled in course administration, and verify the role's permissions. If needed, remove and re-enroll a test user to confirm settings before enrolling the full class.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.